So you know a little bit about the ADA copywriting formula, which stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. Your headline grabs attention. Your opener should seek to capture and hold interest. And then you introduce your product and start building desire for it. How? Simple. By telling your prospects the benefits they'll get when they use your product or service. Now, if you're thinking you'll be stoking some emotion when you share these benefits, you're absolutely right. If you're thinking that adding a pinch of curiosity to these benefits would also be helpful, right again. So first things first, we need to define the difference between product features and product benefits. Product features are simply the parts of a product. Product benefits are what those features do for the prospect. This distinction is hugely important. That's because a lot of beginning copywriters focus on the features of their product. But you know what happens? Prospects don't always make the logical leap between these features and the benefits of those features. So if you're trying to stoke desire for your product by listing product features only, your conversion rate is going to be flat as a ribbon. So what you need to do is weave together statements that list the feature and the benefit. Now, before we do that, let me tell you that the first benefit of a feature isn't always the ultimate benefit. What you need to do is drill down by playing the so what game. Here's how you do it. You name the feature and then ask yourself, so what? You name the benefit of this feature and then again ask yourself, so what? You ask this question at least 2 or 3 times to get to the ultimate benefit. Let me give you an example. A feature of toothpaste is that it includes abrasive ingredients. So what? The benefit of these abrasive ingredients is that they gently remove stains. So what? Removing stains whitens teeth. So what? Whiter teeth create a more attractive smile. So what? A more attractive smile makes you feel better, more beautiful, and more confident. See how that works? Now, let's weave this together into one succinct benefit statement that you can add to a bulleted list. Gentle ingredients polish away stains to give you whiter teeth, an attractive smile, and a whole new level of confidence. Pretty slick, right? The next bulleted benefit list strategy is to try to arouse curiosity whenever possible. The idea is to create an itch that your prospects can only scratch by purchasing your product. You can do this by mentioning a benefit, but leaving some mystery about how your user will receive that benefit. Take a look at this example. You'll find out how to get 50,000 ultra-targeted leads fast without spending a single penny in advertising. Now that sort of statement is bound to arouse any serious marketer's curiosity. Most marketers know to get fast traffic, you probably need to cough up some money. So you can bet they'll be super curious, maybe even curious enough to purchase the product and find out. Here's another tip. If you're selling an information product like an ebook or a video, let prospects know where they can find this information. In other words, list the page number or other relevant information right next to the benefit to arouse curiosity and build anticipation. Here are 2 examples of ways to take this info on at the end of a product statement. See page 52, or you'll get the shocking details on page 79. Another way to arouse curiosity is to use phrases that naturally stoke curiosity. Let me give you a few examples. Let's suppose you're selling a weight loss guide. Some of your benefits might look like this. You'll discover which common household items help you melt fat like crazy. Page 14 holds the answer. You'll find out the surprising trick Hollywood celebrities do when they need to drop weight fast. See page 24. You'll learn the 2,000-year-old metabolism-boosting supplement that you've never heard of until today. This is going to surprise you. Basically, what you're doing here is suggesting that your product has a secret, and that your prospects will finally get to know this secret too if they buy your product. Words like trick, surprising, and secret really boost the curiosity-arousing power of your benefit statements. So maybe you're wondering, how do you arouse curiosity about a product that's not an information product? For example, how do you arouse curiosity about a pair of shoes? Well, the trick here is that you need to arouse curiosity about how the product feels or performs. Your ad is going to provide pics, videos, and tons of description about every tangible feature and benefit of the product, but you can arouse curiosity about the intangible, the thing that simply can't be explained as it must only be experienced. Let's go back to the shoe example. You can say something like, you don't know what walking on a cloud feels like until you slip on these amazing shoes. You've never felt anything like this before. See how that works? You can certainly tell people the shoe is comfortable, but at the same time, you arouse curiosity about just how comfortable it is. So that's it for this time. As usual, I suggest you head over to the recommended resources section of this site to check out the advanced copywriting training and other tools available. You'll be glad you did.